What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's everybody technoboy, and there you can see that's my two DIY active bookshelf speakers that I have built in a previous video. You can see they are having like 5-inch woofer and a 1-inch dome tweeter, and same on the left side. That's the back side of it. That's how I made it powered speaker. So this is just for a basic test. Later I'm gonna do it in proper way. So that's it, and only volume control is there right there, and the input and output. So that's the right side speaker, everything is in there, and on the left side is nothing, just the speaker cord is right there. So that's it. Now, as I told you, this thing has a like preamp out, so I have connected that preamp to here, the red and white card you can see, to this amplifier, as this is a subwoofer amplifier, as you know. So let me turn this thing on. So now this video I'm going to do some sound tests, and we're going to check the sound of these two active bookshelf speakers. Well, I didn't make the enclosures. They are like, I bought them passive bookshelf speaker long back, and I have made them active. So now we're going to check the sound bit. As I'm going to keep my camera right here and we're going to play some NCS songs, and we're going to check the sound with and without the subwoofer. So let's start. So that's the sound of it without the subwoofer, and it's pretty clear, and also the bass is there. Now I'm going to turn up the subwoofer, and now I'm going to turn up the subwoofer volume, and then going to check the sound.
me stalling. My people been ballin', my team we been wildin'. Canada 100, we use basic tools. Strategies moving when we gotta move. There wasn't no option, no time on the clock, and no set in the back, and we gotta get profit. I'm standing on top of the glory, the road. We was just rebels and do what was told. When they asked me how we leveled up, but all this getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game spin, no one gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game. Falling, I'm balling on top of that mountain. I'm on and I'm calling my mama to tell her I'm good. I'm surrounded by family like back in the hood. I was falling from grace, I was misunderstood. Hey, the pressure will sit you right down, but I stood up. I mean what I say and I say what I mean. On the balcony screaming, they just let me be. We had to slow it down. What goes around comes around. Oh, the frequency different now. I was going through different rounds. Hey, it's crazy, the progress is hitting now. Ain't no sitting and lost and found. I found what I lost in a minute now. I was on the wrong path, I admit it now. My only option was to get it now. I got it on both and I learned from the losses. My failure was friendship, I saw it was ghosting. Story like everyone got certain tools. Only difference is I knew what to do. Now everyone calling and progress is stolen. My stock is sorry, my life it ain't boring. Ain't no more hitting me up when you lose. When it's time to wake up, see you hitting the snooze. When they ask me how we leveled up, but all this getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game spin, no one gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game. My heart online. Too afraid to find that you change your mind from sleepless nights. Was I part of your design? Pushing till I broke alone. No one heard my heart explode. It's a suicide dive, just knowing you're dying. Question anything you know. Setting fire to the life we made. Such a fucking waste of time. Said you love me till my heart decays. Guess my time changed the mind. Talks my heart online.